Hi everyone, I'm Dan Yasenchak.
And I'm Alyssa Ashworth. We'll return to your regular programming soon, but we had to interrupt to tell you about this once-in-a-lifetime offer.
That's right, Alyssa. Today only, you can get your very own copy of the B-Met's Smooth Rockin' Holiday Classic Mix Special CD for only $19.95.
Only $19.95?
That's right, $19.95, plus shipping and handling and tax.
What a great deal! This is our family's favorite holiday album, especially that song, The 8 Weeks or So of Sterilization Validation.
On the 6th week of validation, my customer gave to me 11 samples for a dose audit, 3 cases for a dose map, 20 samples for a material test, and 1 minimum dose.
Ah yes, that's music to my ears. But how about that old-time classic, I'll Be Home with No Quarantine Time?
I'll be home in a week or two, because there's no quarantine time. The process is fast. There's no carcinogenic gas, unlike with ETO.
Oh, that brings tears to my eyes. But we can't forget that old fan favorite, Oh Polyethylene.
Oh polyethylene, oh polyethylene, how well your bonds do cross-link. Your carbons break and form again to make you strong and resistant. Oh polyethylene, how well your bonds do cross-link.
Wow, that song alone makes this CD worth it. What? Alyssa, I just got word. For the first 20 callers, you get a free bonus CD with 3 never-before-heard songs.
Wow! 3 world premiere songs for free?
That's right, you get Bioreduction.
Bioreduction is the thing to say when your product isn't labeled as sterile. An E-beam sterilization level dose is used on your labware and cosmetics.
And one sure to be a new chart topper, I'm dreaming of a fast dose rate.
I'm dreaming of a fast dose rate with less degradation to my product. Good for most pharma and human tissue and sensitive products.
And my personal favorite, you're a green one, Mr. Electron.
You're a green one, Mr. Electron. You really are a joy. You're not radioactive or a carcinogenic gas, Mr. Electron.
Absolutely amazing. Well, folks, what are you waiting for?
That's right, call the number on your screen now for your very own copy of the B-Met's Smooth Rockin' Holiday Classic Mix Special CD for only $19.95.
And act fast, because remember, the first 20 callers get a bonus CD with not 1, not 2, but 3 world premiere holiday songs. Well, folks, that wraps it up. Thank you for joining us today. We wish you and your family a happy and peaceful holiday season. And
We'll see you next time.